Hello everyone! We are going to start talking about proportion in art. We will discuss proportion in different exercises, so we will be able to get the whole picture. But first, what is proportion? Proportion is about the relationship of the size of one element compared to another. Today, we are going to start comparing two objects. So first of all, how are we going to check proportion with two objects? You are going to select two objects. I selected fruits, but you can select anything. And on our drawing, we are going to check how big or small is one object compared to the other. So in this way, we are going to create a drawing that is in proportion. So first of all, you will select your two objects. You are going to place the two objects in front of you to start your sketch. And you are going to look at these objects and compare them. And to measure how big or how wide is one object compared to the other, you are going to use a pencil. We are going to do like the artists do. You get the pencil, your objects are over there. You are going to close one eye, place the pencil in front of the object, more or less in the middle between you and the object. And then you check the size of the object compared to the pencil. For example, doing that, my mango is around this size, from here to here. So that's the size that I'm going to draw my mango on the paper. And the same I will do with the lemon. So with the lemon, you're not gonna hold, guys, you're gonna place on your table, okay? It's much easier. So the lemon is this size, from here to here. So the lemon is going to be, of course, smaller than the mango. And doing this way, we know exactly how wide and the height of your object. You are gonna do this for the width, and you are gonna do this for the height. So you know how wide it is in this direction or this direction. Let's start. So grab your objects, a pencil and a paper, and let's start. I measured over there. Remember, you close one eye, you measure, and then you try to do exactly the same distance over here on the paper. And then you create the shape of your object. Draw very lightly, just in case you need to erase, it's going to be easier. Okay, so that's the shape of my mango. Now we are going to compare the mango and the lemon to see how small is the lemon comparing to the mango. So from the same position, I'm going to close one eye, I'm going to measure my lemon, and I'm going to draw the size over here. So on my paper, I will do the length that I measured by looking. So from here, my lemon starts over here and ends over here. So my lemon is going to be this size. And then you shape Who remember how to do the shadows? So now you are going to add what you learned on the other classes, and we are gonna add a little bit of shadow. Remember, when we are creating a shadow, we hold the end of the pencil because we need the shadow here to be very light in the beginning. So we hold the pencil in the end, and then we press the pencil lightly on the paper, and then we add more and more color if we need it. Right, now my mango. Again, guys, don't guess the shadow. Draw what you see, color where you see that the shadows are. Ta-da! And that's it for today. You are going to create the two shapes into proportion, and you are gonna do the cast shadow and the shadow on the shapes. Guys, and when you finish today, you are not gonna send just the picture of the drawing that you do. You are gonna take the picture of the drawing, and you are gonna take the picture of the two shapes that you drew, okay? So I can compare the drawing that you did with the shapes that you used, okay? So 2 pictures today, objects and drawing. Bye bye guys, and see you soon.